After you have figured out your popular and profitable niche, then it's time for you to create a simple coaching business plan. If this topic interests you, let's get started. Continue watching this video. Hello, my name is Jackie. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a simple coaching business plan for your coaching business. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you this is not a formal plan. I do formal plans. I even teach people how to create formal business plan. All right. So if you want to create a formal business plan, listen, I'm gonna put that in the link, right? And I just want to let you all know, if you need any help doing any of these 5 things that we're going to go over, these 5 elements to do a one-page business plan, just real quick, so you can jumpstart your business. Listen, I have a 3-hour intensive that I actually do help you create those things. So along with the information on what's needed, I'm also giving you additional assistance in creating it with my intensives. So that link will be down below. Yeah. So the first element in creating you a simple one-page business plan for your coaching business is, number one, you want to identify who you serve, because you've already did the research. Remember, in the previous video, we talked about finding a profitable and a popular niche, okay, coaching niche. If you have not seen that video, guess what? I'm going to put it over here somewhere, okay? If not, it'll definitely be down in the description. So I got you, don't worry. Okay, so when you identify your clients, you want to do who, what, and why. Who are they? With the who, you want to outline the demographics, the age, the sex, their economic status. You want to do the psychographics as well. And you outline that in that. The second element, and I'm going to try to keep this short. Remember, there's going to be some additional information, some additional resources down below, is you want to get niche specific, because you've already done the market research, right? And you found which niche coaching niches are both profitable and popular. So you want to, this is a time where you nail it down, okay? If you need more help in finding it, guess what? Remember, I have a profitable niche and lead magnet guide, and I'm going to put that in the description. But you want to be specific. And the difference between just having a regular old niche and being more specific is like you either being a the difference between you being a general physician and a cardiologist, right? A cardiologist will specialize in the matters of the heart, and a general physician would be the people that you might see in the ER. They don't have a specialty, they have a basic knowledge of medicine. They still are able to practice and still are able to assist you. However, they don't have a specific or a specialty when it comes to being a doctor. So the third element in creating your business plan, you want to outline what you're selling. Okay, because the whole point of us doing business is you have to offer the people something. What is your offer? And in this section, you want to of course you want to outline what your lead magnet is, what your tripwire is. You want to give details on your programs, your down sales, your up sales, whether what format it's going to come in, all that, and what you're selling, all that in your program. Now, in this section, you're not going to say whether, you may not say whether it's digital. You can, whether it's digital or if it's a course or if it's a coaching program, because you can actually be a coach and have digital products, because I actually have digital products as well, right? Ebooks and things of that nature, such as my niche, my profitable niche and lead magnet guide is a digital product. It'll helps you find your profitable niche and create your lead magnet, saving time, saving money, and more. The fourth step, and I'm told y'all I'm going to make this quick, right? I'm going to make this quick, is marketing. Where are they now? Where do they hope to be? There's so much in marketing. One of the things I mentioned previously, in my previous video, is when I market, I use storytelling marketing, because I found in evaluating my own business that I found that 90% of customers come to me because of the stories I tell. Another thing that I teach with marketing is how to incorporate your personality, and that has to deal with content. How are you going to be visible to your ideal client? How are you going to get eyeballs on what you're selling? All that is marketing. You're going to outline that in that section. The fifth element in creating a one-page simple coaching business plan is launch information. Okay, you've already got your program, you already know who your clients are, your niche specific concerning the programs or the products that you're selling. You've already outlined how are you going to bring it to the people. How are you going to build awareness, build interest, build desire, the action plans you're going to take, what systems you're going to use. You've already outlined those things in your marketing. Then the fifth step is the launch phase. You're going to outline your launch, because your launch is going to talk about your schedule. When are you going to sell this particular product? What email campaigns, which is part of marketing, right? As well, you're going to use, what email messages, what sales you're going to run. Are you going to do pre-sales, post-sales? This is where you're going to go in more details concerning your reach and your visibility, which method you're going to use, whether you're going to stay in when you're going to be in the awareness stage, when are you going to be in the pique their interest, which is where the lead magnet comes in. When are you going to be in increasing their desire, which is where the tripwire comes in. And actions, we do actions through every phase. It actually outlines the roadmap, the customer journey you're going to take your customer and selling your high ticket offer. Now, those are 5 elements. See, I told y'all I was going to be quick, and I kept it simple. But honey, if you need help, I got you, honey. Just click on the link that's in the description and sign up for an intensive session. Y'all, I am loving this challenge, but guess what? I am not finished yet, honey, because next we're going to go deeper in the launch phase. We're going to talk about how to launch your coaching business in 90 days. Ooh, It gets better and better. So if you have not done it, honey, I don't know what's wrong with you. What you want to do, you want to subscribe and click the notification so you'll know what's next.